The Bharatiya Janata Party, Rajnath Singh, tried to convince Sushma Swaraj and convey to that first and foremost she would not be sidelined, and her experience and her stature would be taken into account. So Rajnath Singh and Narendra Modi trying to sort.
Right, we will come back to the Sushma Swaraj angle in just a bit, but at this point the focus is on LK Advani and Rajnath Singh's attempt to not miss the party patriot. Now, BJP's political rivals have taken up this opportunity to step up their attack on Narendra Modi, claiming that if at all Modi becomes Prime Minister, all senior leaders in the party will be sidelined.
The BJP again in Gandhinagar is meeting today. The buzz is that they want to decide the future of Advani and Joshi.
For a very long time, I have given this statement that the moment Narendra Modi ji take over the party, and in case he takes over the country, which is not possible, Delhi will go to Gujarat. Gujarat will not come to Delhi. Rajnath Singh is the president of Bharatiya Janata Party, but he has to go to Gujarat. Narendra Modi will not come to meet him here. That is his character.
सारी जो कमांड कहिए उसको या जो रिमोट कंट्रोल है वो आरएसएस के पास है। वो आरएसएस को तय कर रहा है कि अडवाणी जी क्या करेंगे, मुरली मनोहर जोशी जी क्या करेंगे और दूसरे लोग क्या करेंगे, किनको क्या जिम्मेदारी दी जाएगी। तो ये तो एक बात स्पष्ट हो चुकी है कि राजनाथ जी के अध्यक्ष बनाने से लेकर और नरेंद्र मोदी को प्रधानमंत्री का उम्मीदवार घोषित करने तक आप देखिए कि उसमें आरएसएस की भूमिका रही है।
Advani